a little twist on just I make the face, you make the sound thing. But the loser does this. Jax, tell him.
You get sprayed with silly screen if you do.
Yeah.
All right. No, the person who laughs is the one that gets sprayed with silly screen.
Yeah. All right, we'll be doing. How many rounds do you think we should do?
Let's do 10 rounds.
Yeah, 10 rounds. Let's get to it. First round, first person. Oh! Alright.
Yay! Yo! Oh my God!
Dude, the
I'm good. Let's go!
Dang it!
Yeah!
All right.
It's on your hair.
Rawr.
Oh no!
Look at this
Bro.
dude, bro.
Oh, bro.
Bro, look at this dude. Oh no. I'm cooked.
Oh.
Look at this dude, bro.
I could.
Yeah, bro. Let me cook, bro.
Yo. Oh.
Okay, so we ran out of silly string, so I'm just gonna throw this at him instead. Alright, everybody, thanks for watching, and subscribe to both of our channels, The Only Thing on Earth Records and Carter and Jax Clips. Bye-bye.